Hello, Philip, how you going, mate?
Really well, and yourself?
Good.
That's the way.
Another episode of Suburb Tracker. We are in Double Bay. We're sitting in the street of Stafford Street.
Stafford Street, yes.
And we bought a few properties here in 2011,
We
didn't
have just these couple of these units just behind us.
we? Yeah, we did. I think we bought about 6 in this street.
We did.
We couldn't believe when we got here in 2011 that prices of units were cheaper than 2004. Rents were up about 60% and prices had done nothing. In fact, they'd softened a little bit. Yields got to 5 and over 5%.
5 to 6% at one stage.
And how far's the beach, mate?
One street over.
One street over. So our clients have had some extraordinary growth here.
Values are up 104% for units.
That's right.
Since 2011.
We were buying these for sort of mid-5s.
5 to 600 grand.
And now they're worth $1 million.
Just over.
Stroke of luck on our behalf. But let's talk about where the market is now. The market is for units. Let's just talk about units. It's up 100%, as you said.
Yep. So we're up at about 104%.
Okay.
Homes are up 29%.
Okay.
Since 2011.
Just sounds strange, doesn't it?
It does. Yeah, so there hasn't been as much growth in the housing sector.
Yeah, I think I think that doesn't really reflect what's happened to houses. I think it may be a cluster of sales at the lower end, as Double Bay,
Correct.
similar to Kirribilli where we just were, where there's not heaps and heaps of housing sales, tightly held suburbs, so probably low stats.
Correct.
How's the demand going online?
Yeah, going well. 1,200 visits a day at the moment,
Okay.
so still relatively high.
High considering, what's the average unit price again?
Just over $1 million. So $2,050,000 actually.
$2,050,000.
Amazing.
It's
But
crazy.
But that is skewed because there could be a couple of larger results.
That's right. But I think firsthand what we're seeing through our clients that we actually recommended to buy and sell is a genuine 100% movement in this market since 2011.
And we're seeing a bit of investment activity on the ground. By who, David?
Other buyers' agents, surprisingly, who are representing investors
Correct.
buying from us in an off-market setting. So we find that bizarre, but it's, we get a few giggles out of it.
Correct. We could be wrong though.
Well, hoping the market doesn't kick another 30%. But we genuinely feel that this market's sort of levelling off, Phil, would you say?
Yeah, we do. We think
in the
it's
unit
reached-
market.
Correct.
In the unit market. So what about the house market though? Because it is a bit of an anomaly.
It's a bit of an anomaly at the moment, but we're still seeing that we still think it's right at its peak as well.
Yeah, I think I agree. So the message for Double Bay, or Double Pay as the locals call it, is this market's probably tapped out. If you're looking for a growth asset, I don't think it is in Double Bay right now.
We think it's reached its peak.
Yep. If you're looking for a trophy asset, on the other hand,
Fantastic.
maybe you're getting it for the next 20 years.